Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is Macharislam Pavel and you are watching editing with Android's video. So here is the tutorial of one of the app who actually are very much what can I say, very much fan of 8-bit photos, 8-bit games and 8-bit everything. So here is an app, 8-bit photo lab, which is really amazing. It will take you to the 80s and you just love it. And let's take a picture. Suppose this one I would like to edit, and here you go. You can just increase the resolution like it was. This is the kind of screen from Nokia we used to use, and this is really amazing. If you just can change the design, and it has so many options, you would just love it. I mean, actually I'm loving it, and who are very much fan of 8-bit everything, 8-bit game, 8-bit photo editing, and also so many things. And these are the pro mode. You can just buy them, and here you can change. This is the hardware options, 8 to 8, 1 to 8. These are the colors actually, and the plane, triangular, adaptive shapes. So you just have a fun with this app. So I hope that you guys would love it, and it has also brightness, contrast, and everything you just need. Here's the contrast, here's the saturation. It has pro mode also, and here is the brightness. Here is other things like black and white television. We used to have these kind of just scares. I mean, it was so annoying that time. Or color television monitor, we used to have it. So this is really cool, and you can just check this out and you just love it. Okay, so you can also write text on it, and I'm gonna just um, let it go. Okay, you can also add stickers, 8-bit stickers, and emojis. So this is really fun, and I just love this app. Okay, so here you go. You can delete it also. Here are so many things you can find it out. You can crop the picture, and you can just save it here. Okay, so this was just a flash view of 8-bit photo editor. If you like this one, just share with your friends who actually love 8-bit everything. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question about any app or anything about Android phone, without routing them or just repairing them, if you have any kind of questions for me, I'll try my best to make your video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, take care, goodbye, and just keep editing. See you next time.